Alright, so this is the second tutorial. We are going to see how we can use the component-based structure in the AngularJS. So I created a home component, my root component. Then I inside the home component I create a template URL, that is app, inside app folder home.html, inside app folder home.html. Here it comes. Then I included a bootstrap CSS file only from the popular CDN.js, and I created a navigation bar for this, and one container and a row. This is the example. If I save this, then this is the result. Here it comes using Bootstrap. So in the view, in the console.log, you can see I created inside the home component. Everything will come under inside home component. So now I'm going to my home component is ready now. Even I can create this navigation section a header component, then this section container component also. So inside this component, now I'm going to use the UI router. So how we can use the UI router? So let me first use the normal AngularJS router, that is called. If I come to 1.6.2, you can see the normal router.js file is there. If I copy this, then script src, I created popular CDN for it. Then I included that file called module angular.module, that is ng route module. Okay, now if I save this, anything error? No, there is no error, it's fetching. Okay, so how I can use the route inside a component? So coming to here, there is a function called when function, right? So alright, so we need to define one config for it. That config and config, I follow this style, my style. Then config here, config dot inject equal to, wait, I'm going to inject the file. Oops. Alright, so I define a config, then config dot inject equal to inject the dollar route provider, then function config. Inside that also I do dependency injections, then taking that route, that when this will come to the root, then oops, I gave an error. It should be comma, and this should be, instead of template, just for checking now, the home here, home, then when about, this will come template about. Similarly, when service, this will come from service. Similarly, when contact, this should come template contact. define for route for this, and I define a simple template for this. Then I save this. Coming to home.html, I have to change this because in the 1.6 the default is has this one. This is for the home, and this is for the about. This is for the service, and this is for the about. This is for the service. This is for the contact. This is for the contact. If I save everything, still nothing will work. The route is working, in the URL it's changing, but there is no dynamic data is coming here. So I need to define div ng-view ng-view. Now we can see if about this about template is showing, the service also showing, contact also showing, home also showing, but the active class is not active yet. Still it's active in the home page only. So in this way we can do routing using normal ng route. Alright, so in the next video we are going to see how we can activate this active class dynamic, so that if I go to about, then this about should be hover and like that. So let us check once. If I remove this one, save this, now you can see there is error. It's not showing, it's coming to about home only. So in 1.6 this is the default browser hash and this symbol. So we can remove it in the routing file also. You can remove it, hash prefix using location provider also we can remove it. Later in videos I will show you how you can remove it. Thanks for watching.